Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Want to make your brand stand out on Squarespace? In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through, step by step, how to add and edit your site title in Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to showcase your business or personal brand right at the top of your website, making a great first impression on every visitor. Let's jump right in. First, head over to squarespace.com and log into your account. If you've already built your site, you probably know your way around, but if you're new here, don't worry. Squarespace makes things pretty intuitive. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard with all your websites. Go ahead and click on the website you want to update. Selecting the correct site is important, especially if you're juggling more than one project, so take a quick moment to double-check. Now, with your website preview open, look for the Edit button, usually in the top left corner or across the screen. Clicking Edit is like unlocking the workspace where all your creative changes happen. Don't worry if the panel takes a second to load. It sometimes needs a brief moment to pull up your site's editing tools, especially if your internet is running a little slow. Next, let's focus on your site header. That's the area at the very top of your website. You want everyone who visits to instantly know who you are or what your site is about. So making the header pop is a crucial step. Hover your mouse over the header and you'll see an option to Edit Site Header. Click on this to open up all the header settings. It can look a bit busy at first, but just take a breath and look for the section that mentions your site title. This is where your brand's name, blog, or business title will appear to visitors. You'll notice your site title is clickable, and right next to it, you'll see a little pencil icon. That's your key for editing. Click the pencil icon, and you'll be taken to an input field where you can type in your new site title. This is a small detail, but it makes a huge difference in how professional and memorable your site looks. Think about the impression you want to create. Your title should be clear, distinctive, and reflect what your website is all about. For example, if you're running a bakery, you might use something like Sweet Treats Bakery rather than just bakery to make it feel more inviting. Once you've typed in your site title, take a second to double-check your spelling and make sure everything looks good. When you're happy with it, click back on Header. It's kind of like confirming you've finished with the site title section and want to return to the overall header settings. Sometimes people forget this step and get a bit lost, so don't worry if you have to retrace your steps. It's all part of the learning process. And finally, look for the Save button. Click it to lock in your changes. If you don't click Save, your new site title won't show up for visitors, so this last step is super important. Give yourself a moment here. Once you save, your updated site title should now appear clearly at the top of every page on your site. And that's it. You've set your site title on Squarespace. It's a small change, but it goes a long way towards strengthening your brand and making your website look polished and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and drop a comment if you have any questions or ran into any trouble along the way. I'd love to help out. And if you want more easy step-by-step guides for Squarespace or other web tools, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss a thing. Thanks for watching.